Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the structure of nitrogenous bases. These nitrogenous bases act as a building block of nucleic acids, that is DNA and RNA. Why they are nitrogenous bases? Because they contain nitrogen in their structure and act as a base in a chemical reaction. So let's study their structure. These nitrogenous bases are categorized into two different categories, purine and pyrimidines. Purines, as the name is short, the structure is long. That is, purines are made up of two rings. They are the double ring structures. 9-membered ring it is. So, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-member ring it is. Under the purine, adenine and guanine, they are coming under the purines. So, how to remember that which one are the purines? You can make a mnemonic for that. That is GAP, gap. Guanine, adenine in purines. Okay. We will study their structure, how to draw afterwards. Pyrimidines, their name is big, their structure is small. So, single ring member, 6-member ring it is. Cytosine, uracil and thiamine, they are coming under pyrimidines. Now, pyrimidines, uracil and thiamine, uracil is a part of RNA and thiamine is a part of DNA. So, overall in a nucleic acid, it may be a DNA, it may be RNA. Out of these 5 nitrogenous bases, 4 are present. Fine. In place of thiamine, uracil is present in RNA. In place of uracil, thiamine is present in DNA. So, thiamine is more stable as compared to uracil. So, that is one of the reason why DNA is a stable genetic material. Now, let us learn how to draw these structures. So, this is the skeletal structure of the purines. In this only we are going to make the changes. So, first of all we need to draw this structure. How to draw this? CN, that is carbon, nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, carbon. So, this is 6-member and along with the one more ring, that is nitrogen, carbon and nitrogen. So, after drawing this skeletal structure, we are going to start numbering from this position in a clockwise manner. Okay. So, let us start with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, in this purine ring, nitrogen is placed at the odd numbers 1, 3, okay, 7 and 9. So, except 5, all odd numbers they are containing the nitrogens. Fine, rest you can place carbon. So, let us make a structure of first adenine. So, adenine is 6-aminopurine. At the 6th position, this is the 6th position, we are going to add amino group. This is amino group. So, how many valencies of this carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this rest of the structure will remain same. This is adenine. Fine. Now, for guanine, 2-amino 6-oxo. So, we are going to erase this. 2, this is the 2nd position and this one is the 6th position. At the 2nd carbon, there is amino group and at the 6th position, there is a oxo group. Okay. Rest of the valencies you can complete. So, this become guanine. This is 2-amino 6-oxo purine. This is the structure of guanine. Fine. Only you have to learn the basic, that the skeletal structure of this 9 member ring and you learn how to number. Numbering is in this particular direction. Okay. Next is pyrimidines. So this is the skeletal structure of pyrimidines. In this we are going to number from this particular nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is anti-clockwise. Okay. Sorry, this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. In that way the numbering is done. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as per their names we will see the structure cytosine 4 amino 2 oxo. So which one is the fourth position? This one is the fourth position 4 amino 6 oxo. Okay, 4 amino 2 oxo, this is not 6, this is 2. So this bond will be in this way. So this is the structure of cytosine. For uracil 2,4-dioxo. This is the second position. Already one oxo group is there and instead of amino there will be one more oxo group. This is the structure of uracil. Okay, this is the structure of uracil. Fine. Now for thiamine, the same structure will remain 2,4-dioxo. Only at the fifth position we are going to add the methyl group. Easy to learn. At the fifth we are going to add methyl group. So this is the structure of thiamine. Fine. Thank you.